Today, I'll show you what to do if you're not getting notifications through messages on your iPhone. First, check if you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled on the left side of your phone. Check if it's on or off, because if it's on, you won't receive notifications with sound. Next, check if Sleep Mode or Do Not Disturb is active, as either one will prevent notifications from coming through. Next, if that doesn't help, go to Settings and find Sounds and Haptics. Check if you have sound enabled there and other related settings. If that doesn't work, check the Messages app itself to see if sound is enabled there. That was with you. If nothing helps, try restarting your phone. Almost forgot. That might help you too. Goodbye, everyone.